I'm Mr. Svensson, the machining teacher here, and what we do in machining is we make useful items such as tools and parts out of metal and other objects and other materials for some useful purpose. So we have some examples of some hammers, finished hammer that started out in raw state with round steel and square steel, and it gets shaped and machined on a tool called a lathe to make the finished product. We also have another style of hammer with a round top and aluminum handle that's knurled as well, and it started out in its raw state of aluminum and round steel. And then we also make things like punches from raw steel, and it ends up with a shape like that. So in machining, you will learn how to use tools to make other tools and to make useful objects that you can take home and actually use. Okay, here we have a student working on a lathe, and he is turning a piece of aluminum down to size with the machine to make it smaller. And as you can see, as the machine cuts, it produces a filing or a chip as it makes it a smaller diameter. So we're doing a process called knurling, and you notice on those hammer handles and punch handle, there's a bit of a grip. This is how you produce that grip. It's called knurling, and the lathe does that work for you too. So it has two cutting wheels that cut at a right angle to one another to create a pattern, a crosshatch pattern. And that gives us our grip.